Hey there everybody, it's Andrew here from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I wanted to talk about how to get started online, how to sort of start an online business, if you like. And the great thing about an online business is you can get started with a very small budget. Sure, I do suggest that you invest and be prepared to invest some money, but by comparison to a traditional business, it's a way lesser investment, if you like, to get started. And for sure, it might be a bigger learning curve, but if you're new to business, whether it be traditional bricks and mortar business or an online business, the learning curve is going to be just as great. But I've talked about why I choose to work online and why I choose to work from home, so I'm not going to go over that right now. But getting started, I think you need to know, firstly you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe it possible that you can make money online, and it is possible. I mean, there's tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people that are working from home and working online and are very, very successful. So it's already proven that it's possible. But I think you need to believe in yourself and have the drive and determination to sort of make it happen. It's not going to happen out of the gate for you, I can tell you that right now. It's going to take time, it's going to take some learning, it's going to take some persistence. You're probably going to have to sacrifice a bit of TV and some of the other stuff that you might spend time doing. And as I've heard it said, you are the average of who you hang out with most. So it's very important that you find some good mentors, get some good training programs. Look, there are many ways to start an online business. I have had online stores before where I've actually shipped product myself. I don't choose to do that anymore because it's a logistical nightmare if you have to have stock and then you have to pack it and all the rest of it. I choose affiliate marketing, and there are many things that you can promote, goods and services that you can promote using affiliate marketing. I choose higher ticket items because especially in this day and age with the cost of advertising, etc., it's very difficult to profit from, if you're paying for advertising, profit from a lower ticket item. So I heard it said $197 might be the lowest you'd ever want to go, and even then you'd want to probably have a 50% margin in it to even look like it being profitable. But I choose higher ticket items above that, like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 products that provide enormous value. I don't sell products for the sake, or products and services for the sake of selling products. I'm very conscientious about what I promote and how I promote it, because it's all about providing value. You also need to think about what medium, platform, if you like, you're going to use to promote, start an online business with and get traction with regards to marketing. I choose YouTube. That's my absolute number one platform right now, and there are many reasons that I choose YouTube. One is because it's video, and whilst it was rather daunting to begin with, I find video much easier, for me anyway, over writing blogs and that sort of thing. And also I think with video, people can see whether or not you're full of shit. They can see if you're authentic. They can read between the lines. People aren't stupid, but I think with blogs and that sort of thing, well, it's just not for me. I'm not a huge fan of Facebook these days either. I think it's just a bit of a basket case, Facebook. People are just constantly bombarding you, trying to sell you stuff without building a relationship. I'm sure it's all about building relationships, building rapport, building trust, and I can do that through video. And the reason I choose YouTube is because you get lots of free traffic, in that if you do it right, you'll get a lot of organic views. Whereas I used to be the king of SEO, believe it or not, 10 years ago, and it was a bit longer than that. It was very easy to get ranked well on Google, but today it's so competitive. I've also spent a lot of time with Facebook ads, and unless you're really experienced, and I consider myself quite experienced in that area, but unless you're really experienced when it comes to Facebook ads, you're just going to be giving Zuckerberg, giving him your cash, basically, because it's a very difficult medium to master when it comes to advertising. So The other reason I choose YouTube is because, like I said, it was absolutely daunting for me to get started with YouTube, but it's free to set up, but more importantly, most people won't get in front of a video. It's just too scary for people, and I don't blame you. That's how I felt. But if you can get over that fear and just take imperfect action and get your videos up there onto YouTube and learn as you go, I can almost promise you that you'll be successful, and just provide value. Don't waffle on. And just for the sake of waffling on, try and provide value and support, and it's all about helping people, absolutely. But yeah, so if you want to have a look at affiliate marketing, you want to have learn more about how to get started with affiliate marketing, there's a link below. Go to andrewplimmer.com, but there's a link below this video. I've been looking around for years to find a really, really, really good system. I didn't want to build my own system and training course. I've tried so many and looked at so many training programs, and the one that I've come across now, I believe, is absolutely the best that I've come across. You automatically go into a 15-day boot camp. It's free. I think it might be $30 if you want to sort of go all the way through, but it's nothing in the big picture. And I think there's a money-back guarantee as well, and the amount of value is just huge. So you'll get taught a lot of mindset stuff. You'll get taught a lot of technical stuff, how to set up sales pages, how to write your copy, how to set up your autoresponder and email list. The list just goes on and on and on. You get actual one-on-one coaching with experienced people that can guide you and help you. But like I always say, it takes effort. Nothing's for nothing. You need to make a few sacrifices and be committed. But I can absolutely guarantee you that if you stick with it, and if it's affiliate marketing is what you want to do, then this absolutely is the course for you. And I mean, even if you didn't want to continue on and promote this program, it's going to provide you with so much value to help you get your own leads and perhaps set up your own system online, whether it be leads for network marketing, for example, or whether you want to set up your own physical online, but a shop selling products. There's just so much information in there that'll help you get through. And I think, like I said before, I got started in affiliate marketing over 20 years ago, and I had nobody to teach me, and I was probably a bit, when there were people that I could get on as mentor or help me as mentors, I was probably a little bit slow off the mark. I regret that, because there's no point in reinventing the wheel. If somebody's been there before you and they can help you, for God's sake, put your hand in your pocket and invest, because it is an investment into your future. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this. If you did, please like and share. Love you always, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Over and out. Bye now.